Air Scooter. The Air Scooter is a personal flying machine created to make air travel simple, fun, and accessible for everyday people. Unlike traditional aircraft, it's a compact VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, which means it can lift off and land almost anywhere without needing a runway. With a top speed of around 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, and a comfortable cruising speed of 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour, it offers the perfect balance of speed and stability, letting you enjoy smooth flights while taking in stunning views from above. What makes the Air Scooter truly exciting is its patented hybrid electric propulsion system, Aluda Airspeeder Mk4. The Aluda Airspeeder Mk4 is a revolutionary creation that blends the thrill of racing with the future of aviation. Think of it as a flying race car designed to deliver speed, agility, and sustainability all in one. Alia 250. The Alia 250 is a cutting-edge electric VTOL aircraft from Beta Technologies, designed to change the way we think about air travel in cities and beyond. Combining vertical takeoff and landing with efficient forward flight, it can handle a variety of tasks, from delivering cargo and medical supplies to carrying passengers safely and quickly. Its sleek fixed-wing design is paired with a large rear propeller for smooth, efficient horizontal flight, while 4 smaller rotors provide stable vertical lift, making it versatile for many environments. ASCA Fly eVTOL. The ASCA Fly eVTOL is an innovative personal aircraft designed to transform how we travel in cities and beyond. Combining the practicality of an electric car with the capabilities of a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, it allows passengers to drive on roads and highways, then take off into the air to bypass traffic and reach destinations faster. With a single charge range of up to 250 miles, it offers efficient and flexible travel for both urban and regional journeys. Powered entirely by electric motors, the ASCA Fly eVTOL features advanced aerodynamics for smooth, high-performance flight, while its compact design makes it easy to maneuver and park. Safety is a key focus, with modern features built into the vehicle to ensure secure and reliable operation. Its futuristic technology not only makes it practical, but also environmentally friendly, reducing emissions compared to traditional vehicles and aircraft. Perfect for commuters, adventurers, or anyone looking to save time, the ASCA Fly eVTOL provides a seamless travel experience that blends road and air transportation. With its versatility, sustainability, and cutting-edge design, it represents the future of personal mobility, offering an exciting glimpse of how people may move quickly, safely, and efficiently in the years to come. Bell 525 Relentless. The Bell 525 Relentless is a cutting-edge helicopter built to raise the bar in modern aviation, with its focus on speed, safety, and versatility. It's the world's first commercial helicopter to use advanced fly-by-wire technology, which means smoother handling, greater stability, and less workload for pilots, even in rough weather or challenging conditions. This innovation makes flying safer and more efficient while delivering top-notch performance. Inside, the Bell 525 offers a spacious, customizable cabin that can comfortably seat up to 16 passengers, making it ideal for everything from luxury VIP transport to offshore oil and gas missions or life-saving search and rescue operations. With a cruising speed of 160 knots and an impressive range of over 500 nautical miles, it's built for both long-distance efficiency and high performance. Its modern avionics suite gives pilots excellent situational awareness, while its sleek design enhances reliability and passenger comfort. The 525 Relentless isn't just another helicopter. It's a versatile workhorse that blends innovation with practicality. Whether it's carrying executives in comfort or helping save lives during emergencies, this aircraft proves why it's one of the most advanced and dependable helicopters in the world today. Blackfly. The Blackfly is an exciting new personal aircraft that brings the dream of flying closer to reality. Created by the Canadian company Opener, this futuristic machine is fully electric and designed for short-distance travel in a safe, simple, and eco-friendly way. Unlike traditional planes, the Blackfly can take off and land vertically, so there's no need for a runway, Just a small open space is enough. It runs on 8 powerful rotors that provide stability and smooth handling, making it surprisingly easy to control, even for beginners. On a single charge, it can travel up to 25 miles, 40 kilometers, and reach speeds of about 62 miles per hour, 100 km/h, making it perfect for quick trips or short commutes. Because it's fully electric, the Blackfly is quiet and produces no emissions, making it environmentally friendly compared to fuel-powered aircraft. Its lightweight design and compact cockpit give pilots a futuristic flying experience that feels both thrilling and practical. Designed with safety and innovation in mind, the Blackfly is more than just a flying machine. It's a glimpse into the future of personal air travel, where everyday people may soon enjoy the freedom of flight. Boom Supersonic XB-1. The Boom Supersonic XB-1, often called Baby Boom, is a sleek experimental jet built to test the future of fast air travel. Serving as a 1/3 scale model of Boom's upcoming Overture airliner, this aircraft shows what's possible when innovation meets speed. Equipped with 3 powerful General Electric J85 engines, the XB-1 can soar to Mach 2.2, over twice the speed of sound, while covering more than 1,000 nautical miles in a single flight. Its main purpose is to act as a flying laboratory, helping engineers refine supersonic aerodynamics, test advanced materials, and explore eco-friendly solutions for future passenger jets. The knowledge gained from the XB-1 will directly shape the design of the Overture, which aims to carry between 64 and 80 passengers across the globe in record time. Flight testing is already in progress, with the aircraft's first supersonic journey scheduled for January 2025. This milestone is not only exciting for aviation fans, but also a major step toward bringing back commercial supersonic travel. The Boom XB-1 proves that faster, smarter, and more efficient flying could soon become a reality. Cessna Caravan. The Cessna Caravan is a legendary aircraft known for its toughness, versatility, and reliability. Built by Cessna, this single-engine turboprop has earned a global reputation for being able to handle just about any flying mission. It can carry up to 14 passengers or a large load of cargo, making it a favorite for regional airlines, cargo companies, skydiving operations, and even humanitarian missions in remote parts of the world. At its heart is the powerful Pratt & Whitney PT-6A engine, famous for its dependability and fuel efficiency. The Caravan cruises at around 186 knots, 345 km/h, and can fly more than 1,000 miles, 1,600 kilometers on a single trip, giving it the ability to cover both short hops and longer routes with ease. One of its standout features is its ability to operate from short, rugged, or unpaved runways, allowing access to remote areas that most planes cannot reach. The cockpit is modern, often equipped with advanced avionics to help pilots fly safely and efficiently. Strong, dependable, and adaptable, the Cessna Caravan has become a workhorse in aviation, proving itself as a trusted aircraft for both people and cargo worldwide. Diamond DA-50RG. The Diamond DA-50RG is a modern 5-seat light aircraft designed for comfort, efficiency, and performance. Built by Diamond Aircraft Industries, it combines sleek looks with advanced aerodynamics, making it not only stylish but also highly efficient in the air. Unlike traditional planes, it uses a Continental CD300 diesel engine, which reduces fuel consumption and operating costs, saving money for both private pilots and flight schools. Inside, the cabin is spacious and comfortable, with large windows that let in plenty of light and provide excellent visibility, giving passengers a bright and airy flying experience. The DA-50RG also comes equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, including a Garmin G1000 flight deck, offering modern navigation, communication, and safety features that make flying easier and more precise. Its combination of reliability, versatility, and smooth handling makes it perfect for personal travel, flight training, or longer cross-country trips. Whether you're a new pilot learning the ropes or an experienced flyer looking for a high-performance aircraft, the Diamond DA-50RG delivers a safe, enjoyable, and modern flying experience. It's an aircraft that balances technology, comfort, and efficiency, making it one of the most appealing choices in the light aircraft category. Fixar 025. The Fixar 025 is a powerful, fully autonomous electric drone designed to handle long-range commercial and industrial missions with ease. Built for efficiency and reliability, it can carry payloads of up to 10 kilograms, 22 pounds, over distances of up to 300 kilometers on a single battery charge, making it perfect for tasks that require both endurance and precision. What sets the Fixar 025 apart is its complete autonomy. Once programmed, it can take off, fly, and land on its own without any human intervention, allowing businesses to focus on results rather than manual control. Safety is a key feature, with a secure payload system and a data backup black box, ensuring that operations remain smooth and secure even in challenging environments. Its versatile design makes it suitable for a wide range of uses, from industrial inspections and cargo delivery to surveying and monitoring remote or hard-to-reach areas. Lightweight yet sturdy, the drone combines advanced technology with practical performance to meet professional demands. eVector Sportstar. The eVector Sportstar is a light sport aircraft built for pilots who want an affordable, reliable, and fun flying experience. Made by eVector Aerotechnic in the Czech Republic, it became one of the first aircraft certified in the light sport aircraft category in the United States, proving its safety and performance. This sleek two-seater features a low-wing design that gives pilots excellent visibility, making it perfect for both training and recreational flying. Powered by the efficient Rotax 912 engine, the Sportstar offers smooth performance, great fuel economy, and low operating costs, making it a favorite for flight schools and private owners. Inside, the cockpit is modern, spacious, and can be fitted with advanced avionics to enhance safety and navigation. With a cruising speed of about 110 knots, 200 kilometers per hour, and a range of more than 600 miles, 1,000 kilometers, it is capable of both short flights and longer journeys. Known for its easy handling, stability, and comfort, the eVector Sportstar is a balanced mix of affordability and excitement, giving pilots a dependable aircraft that makes every flight enjoyable and memorable. Hermeus Quarter Horse. The Hermeus Quarter Horse is an ambitious hypersonic aircraft prototype designed to completely change the way we think about speed and air travel. Built with futuristic engineering, this incredible plane is expected to reach Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound, making it one of the fastest aircraft concepts ever attempted. Its secret lies in a revolutionary turbine-based combined cycle TBCC engine, which can operate like a jet at lower speeds and then smoothly transition into a ramjet for hypersonic flight. This allows the Quarter Horse to achieve extraordinary performance, such as flying from New York to London in just 90 minutes, a journey that normally takes over 7 hours. But the Quarter Horse isn't only about breaking speed records. It's also a stepping stone toward a future of practical hypersonic travel. Hermeus plans to use this technology for both commercial and defense applications, bringing faster, more efficient, and highly capable aircraft into reality. With its blend of speed, innovation, and vision, the Quarter Horse represents a bold leap forward in aviation history. Though still in development, it offers a thrilling glimpse of a world where global travel could be measured in minutes, not hours. Icon A5. The Icon A5 is an incredible light sport aircraft designed to bring adventure, freedom, and excitement to flying. What makes it so special is its amphibious capability. It can take off and land on both water and land, giving pilots the chance to explore places that are usually out of reach. Its sleek, sporty design is not just eye-catching, but also practical, with foldable wings that make storage and transportation simple. Powered by the dependable Rotax 912 IS engine, the A5 delivers smooth and reliable performance every time. Step inside and you'll find a roomy modern cockpit filled with advanced avionics that are easy to use, even for newer pilots. Safety is at the heart of this aircraft, with a spin-resistant airframe and an optional whole aircraft parachute system, ensuring peace of mind during every flight. Whether you want to glide over scenic coastlines, land on a quiet lake, or simply enjoy the thrill of flight, the Icon A5 makes it all possible. It's not just a plane, it's a lifestyle that combines adventure, fun, and innovation. The Icon A5 proves that flying can be safe, simple, and accessible for anyone with a passion for the skies. Kitty Hawk Flyer. The Kitty Hawk Flyer was an exciting personal flying machine that brought the dream of flight closer to everyday people. Designed as an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, it looked like a mix between a small boat and a giant drone. Mounted on pontoons and powered by 10 independent electric fans, the Flyer allowed riders to glide smoothly just a few feet above the water. It could fly at altitudes of around 3 to 10 feet, offering a thrilling yet safe experience for anyone who wanted to feel the joy of personal flight. With a maximum flight time of about 20 minutes per charge, the Flyer was intended for recreational use, perfect for short adventures over lakes or calm water surfaces. Unlike traditional planes or helicopters, it was designed to be easy to operate, giving people the chance to experience flight without the need for extensive training. Although the Kitty Hawk Flyer was retired in 2020, it left a lasting impression as one of the earliest and boldest attempts to make personal air travel a reality. It stands as a symbol of innovation and a glimpse into a future where flying could be as simple as driving. Klein Vision Air Car. The Klein Vision Air Car is a groundbreaking flying car that combines the convenience of road travel with the freedom of flight. This futuristic vehicle is designed to transform seamlessly from a car into an aircraft in just a few minutes, thanks to its clever use of retractable wings and a rear-mounted propeller. On the road, it drives smoothly like a modern car, capable of reaching speeds of around 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour. In the air, it shifts into airplane mode, flying at speeds of up to 120 miles per hour, 190 kilometers per hour, and covering distances of nearly 600 miles, 960 kilometers. Powered by a strong internal combustion engine, the air car is built for both efficiency and reliability, offering a practical way to travel across regions without the need for separate vehicles. Its sleek and stylish design blends advanced engineering with comfort, making it appealing for commuters who want faster travel and adventurers seeking something extraordinary. More than just a prototype, the air car represents a major leap forward in personal transportation. By merging two worlds into one, it gives us a glimpse of a future where people can drive out of the city, transform their car, and take to the skies with ease.